Hey guys, this is Basant here, and in this video I'm going to talk about an AI powered booking platform. With the help of you can do the video meeting books with your client, with your team members and with your groups, and it has some of the AI powered capabilities that I'm going to talk about in this video. You are also going to get your page in which you are going to offer your calendrical availability on which clients or the user can book the meeting. It has so many good features that I'm really excited to talk about. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So this platform name is the mymeet.io and it is recently launched on the AppSumo with the just $49 one-time payment. Means you only need to pay the one-time payment of the $49 and you will get the lifetime updates and the access. You can see schedule meetings and collect payments. Whether it's your free meeting or you want to charge for your meeting, you can do that with easy offering secure full branded video meetings. There's also the AI capabilities for meeting summaries with comprehensive recap of the discussions. Means you are going to get the recordings, and it is the really good alternative to the Calendly or the Zoom, and because it has the some of the integrations of the AI, it is going to also offer you some of the extra features. Let me show little bit talk about this feature, then I will also give you a demo. For example, this is the branded booking page for your experience where you can also share your social links here. Then it has the branded video meeting. This is how it is going to something look like. It has the AI powered summary, means after once the meeting is done, it is going to send out the insights, important highlights or the summary of that meeting to your mail or your client's mail. That is the really good part. Plus you can also charge for your meetings. It has the integration with the PayPal, Stripe and the UPI. As for the Indian, I am really surprised that it has the Indian API system available. Okay, and it has the really fast processing for, means you are not going to face any lags while you are doing the video meetings here. Okay, so this is a dashboard. Once you got its lifetime deal, there's the little bit pricing here, just $49, and I think this is the really affordable here. So there are the multiple plans also available, like based on the how much the social media connects or the calendars you want. On those limits you can get its lifetime plan. So in the tier 1 plan you will only get the individual plan for you, means only you can use this plan. If you have the more team members in your company or the brand, they cannot use it. You have to either go with the tier 2 or tier 3 plan. In the tier 3 plan you will got the almost every agency features here. And there's the also one more thing that I want to take you notice here. In the every higher tier plan you will get some extra features. Like in the tier 1 plan, this is the only limits you are going to get here, but in the tier 2 plan you can check it out. The pricing is the $129, but here you will get the not only the extra credits but the extra features like the meeting recording, whiteboard, WhatsApp notification, digital visit cards and after meeting redirection. And in the tier 3 plan you will also got the white label full access, like the removing the MyMeet branding and the CNAME. Like you want to kind of offer the links on your own domain, so that's where the CNAME is going to help you out. Okay, so let's go to its platform and give you a demo of its features. So this is a dashboard, and here on the quick actions of the dashboard you will get the insights like your upcoming meetings books, or how many the revenue you have generated, or the AI minutes you have available, all those things by the way here. And this is your meeting booking page. If I copy the link here, go to the any separate tab, paste it, and this is how my meeting. Okay, I am just already the sign up for the platform or sign in the platform. That's why it is how looking like. Let me go to the incognito mode here, paste the link, and this is how my page is going to look like. Right now it is that much of the super exciting or the engaging looking like, but here I can just customize my image here, brand name, or even I can add the calendrical view, all those kind of the things. I will show you how you can do that. Okay, so this is the dashboard, and in the topics, this is the important part, because here I am going to generate or create the topics on which I want to do the meetings. For example, this is the personal meeting that I can do with my friends, family, groups or clients. Okay, then I can also create some other meetings based on the different criteria. There's also this dark mode available. If you prefer the dark mode for working late nights, I think this feature is really helpful and insightful. Just click here on, you can select and the dark and the light mode. There's the instant meeting link available here. Just click here on the instant meeting and it is going to launch the instant meeting that you can just going to share with anyone. And this meeting is just based on the Google Meet. So you can see this is the direct Google Meet link here. Okay, then this is the availability. Basically you are going to configure your booking slots or the time you are going to available for the meeting here. Okay, so based on the days you can enable these days that you want to accept the meetings. Then this is the bookings. Okay, and here you can see view my booking instant booking history. So basically you are going to check out all your bookings history inside status, reschedule payments if you have collected that, all those things you are going to just see in this booking section. Then this is the branding, where you are going to add your logo, your brand colors, and how your booking page will look like. This is how you are going to manage and configure in this section. Isn't this pretty much exciting? In the single click you can just upload your image, you can select your brand color. It will make your booking page looks like the really comfortable with the user, like they are seeing the same page as for your brand. This is how this branding stuff works. Then we have the integration. So as for now they don't have that much of the integrations available. They have only the Google Meet, and they have also the just Google Outlook. You can just select as for the Calendrical and Google Meet. Okay, so this is only the two integrations I have seen right now, but in future they have the more integrations upcoming. Like I have in their roadmap, this is the roadmap, and here you can check it out. They are just launching soon with the Zapier or the API. And if you don't know, I'm really huge fan of the automation, so I also want the Zapier or the API feature. Then in the roadmap you can also check it out, which are the features they have recently released, in the progress and in the planned way here. Okay, so let's back to the dashboard. And here we have then the settings option, where you will also find some of the settings like the basic plan, custom domain if you want to connect, then you want to connect to social media channels. This is the section available. This is the holidays, on which you want to make sure that on holidays you don't want to get the meetings, so you can just select the holidays. Then this is the meeting settings. This is the payment collection method, and if I click here you can check it out, UPI, PayPal, and the other payment link. So I'm really surprised to see UPI here. As you don't know, in India UPI is the huge thing that for the accepting online payments and doing the online payments, even no technician person can use UPI. Okay, then this is the delete or reset profiles. So these are all the features I have showed you right now, and I have showed you how you can just launch instant meeting, how you can just set up your booking page, and how you can get your booking page link here. So let me if I click here on this sharing option, you can see all this sharing options will be enabled to share your booking link with anyone. This is also going to set up your digital card. Okay, so this is the mymeet.io, and this platform has the really cool potential available. In the future we will also going to see some really cool features that you can also check it out on the roadmap. Okay, so that's all I want to talk about in today's video. This is the mymeet.io lifetime deal. You can check it out, the link will be given in the description, and make sure you also hit like this video so you enjoy it, I get to know it, and I stay motivated because you are liking my videos. Okay, and if you're really enjoying my video, make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay subscribed and updated with all my AI videos, SaaS tool reviews, those kind of the tools. Okay, so bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.